everyone, welcome to Red Cape Universe. My name is Aditya and I work with the analytics industry for last 5 years. And here we are building community of people who believe in democratizing education. And to start this mission, we have choose Excel as the first product, and soon we will add more learning paths to this. Welcome to part 2 of string formulas. Today we will learn some formulas which we have missed in the first part. So let's continue. So we will do a quick recap what kind of formulas we have seen in the first video. We have seen exact, we have seen fixed formula, we have seen find, search, substitute, replace, left, right. So we have seen these types of string formula manipulation, and we have few left which we were not able to cover in the first part. We'll do it right now. So on the screen, if you see, these are the first formulas that we have covered in the first part, and you can go and check this out on our channel. And we will start with the other formulas which we left in the first part, right? So if you see, the first formula is called trim. So what does trim do? Trim is basically to remove unwanted white spaces from your string. So it sometimes happens, right? So if you are writing your name, you habitually double press the space bar or put tab twice, right? So these are some human mistakes we continuously see on the data sets, and to clean those data sets we need trim function. So it will remove the unwanted blank spaces, and here you can see the red and cape has too many blank spaces, and this just for representation purpose. Also, it could happen in the real world, no one can deny that, but we do not want to see this string as it is, right? We need to get rid of those unwanted white spaces. So for that we can use trim function. We'll just type trim over here, trim, and it asking us simply text. So right now we can write a text which will give us an output, but we do not want to write a text, we want to give a reference to a cell. So we'll click on H3 and we will close the bracket and hit enter. So if you see now, red and cape have just one space. And why do we need that is basically, let's say someone write this and someone made it write this and remove the blank spaces to certain level. Now if you want to compare these two strings, they are not comparable at this point of time. If I keep this equal to this, you are going to get a false value. So you convert it into general, and I will press again this, this. So you're getting a false value, right? So this false means that strings are inevitably different, because space in the string has its own value, and when machine calculates it, it thinks that they are different string, though they are same string, right? So for these purposes we can use trim function to make your string standard. Now another is that how do we know how much length particular string have, right? Let's say you have 100 words. How many words plus blank spaces are there in the string? So to calculate that we use length function. So let's say equal to len, and it give the text reference, which is here a cell called H6, close, enter. It's a 10 length. So let's say if I add over here, I add space, it will improve one length, right? So you have added one space. So space is also calculated as a part of your string. So that is what length function does, and length function is useful in terms of maybe checking out. Let's say you have a column where all mobile numbers are provided. So in India, it's 10 digits. So if any number which is more than 10 digits in length, they have some either extra spaces or they have some extra numbers in them. Or if they are lower in terms of they are low compared to 10, they are, let's say, 8 and 9 numbers in that mobile number column or cell phone number column, it's basically it's missing some values in it. So proper is used when you have to remove from Aditya Kulkarni to this Aditya Kulkarni. Why do we need that? In general sense, we write first letter of your name as a capital and rest of the letters will follow as a small letters, right? So that's what we want to do over here. That's my name and surname. So we'll say is equal to proper and give the cell reference H9, close, hit enter. Okay, so if you see that I have pressed equal to 2 times, and that's why Excel is saying that we have found a typo in your formula and try to correct it to proper H9. Do you accept? Do you want to accept this correction? Yes, I wanted to accept this correction because that was something my typo, right? So I'll say yes, and it gives me an answer. Aditya A capital, Kulkarni K capital. Now string. Now let's say you have some certain things in your report or Excel data set that you want to look at as upper string only, right? You don't want small case letter with those names. So what you write is you basically go over there equal to upper, select the string h12, close, hit enter. Now you see the string has moved from all small letters to all capital letters, and this again is there is something called lower. So these are uppercase, move them to uppercase letter, same as to move them to lowercase letter. So equal to lower and give h to a 15, close, hit enter. That's Aditya Kulkarni. So that's all about it. These were the functions that we left on the first part, and we are glad that we were able to cover them in second part. And if you haven't watched the first part video, please go on our channel and check it out. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if these videos are adding values to your learning goal, please hit like, subscribe for more content like this, and share it with your friends and family because we release videos on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And share your thoughts in the comment section so that we know what you want to see next. So thank you and bye bye.